So these are the services which are specific to generative AI. Some of these services are related to AI also, but they have been getting renewed for generative AI also, right? So when I say renew, basically it is going to have the capabilities of generative AI also, that is foundation models and other flows. So one service which is specific to generative AI on AWS, it is Bedrock at AWS Bedrock, right? It is a service which provides Amazon specific foundation model and third party foundation models. And it is not only these foundation models, it provides much more than that. So SageMaker is another service which is fully managed service. We need not to bother about infrastructure. Infrastructure basically virtual machine, instance type, what should be the memory and all those things. It will automatically take care of this. Amazon SageMaker, it is a fully managed service. It has the capabilities to build our own model, whether it is specific to AI or Gen AI, right? Then it also enables end-to-end automated ML lifecycle. So we just need to create a script or code out of that. Also, it has predefined code also, right? So in that case, it helps in that aspect also. AWS Trainium and Inferentia, basically, these are hardware specific um, offerings from AWS. There are some specific EC2 instances which are specific to foundation model training or AI based training and inferences, right? So recently, AWS launched in recent AWS reInvent, they launched AWS, I think, Trainium V2 or Inferentia V2, which are more cost savvy as well as which are more performant in terms of lower training time as well as lower inference time. Then and there are some services like Code Whisperer, which we are going to see in the uh, uh, right very soon. We are going to see that, and Amazon Q. These are some of the AI powered services, right? Code Whisperer is the service which helps us to write our code, uh, develop our code, right, in many languages. So this is the high level of generative AI stack at AWS, right? At the top layer, if you see, it is Amazon Q primarily, which is a generative AI assistant, right? Then a code whisperer. So Amazon Q is basically is getting integrated into many of the AWS offerings, whether it is code whisperer or it is QuickSight, or it could be integrated with AWS Lambda also, right? Many services, Redshift also. What does it do? Basically, we can ask some question and it will answer those questions, and all these are optimized for AWS services. Then there are some tools like Amazon Bedrock, which we are going to see the demo very soon, and infrastructure like I just mentioned, Trainium, Inferentia, and it has partnership with Nvidia also, right? SageMaker and all those things. This is a snapshot of Amazon Q.